This is an ad for a free prescription delivery service from Martin's Pharmacy. We created it from only 2 photos. Here's our approach. We find the message your audience needs to hear and craft it into a story that resonates. We direct it into motion. We refine it until it moves. We shape it until it lands. Because the best work, the work that connects, happens when you care enough to get it right. If you've got photos and a story, we've got the rest. In fair light. Made with purpose.